Don't scroll, don't skip. For the next few minutes, your English is going to change. Not slowly, not someday, right now. Because this is not a normal English practice video. I'm not going to explain grammar rules. I'm not going to give you boring textbook sentences. I'm going to train your mouth, your ears, and your brain together. And if you follow me seriously, if you repeat every sentence with full focus, your pronunciation, your confidence, and your fluency will start shifting from today. So sit straight, relax your shoulders, take a deep breath in, and slowly breathe out. This is your English transformation moment, and from this second, you are not shy, you are not nervous, you are becoming confident. Now listen carefully. The rule is simple. I speak first, you repeat after me, loudly, clearly, no whispering. Even if your pronunciation is not perfect, don't stop. Confidence comes before perfection. Ready? Let's begin. I wake up every day with a purpose. Now you say it. I wake up every day with a purpose. Very good. Again, with more energy. I wake up every day with a purpose. Feel the rhythm. English is music, not math. Let's continue. I am improving my English step by step. Repeat. I am improving my English step by step. Good. Now faster. I am improving my English step by step. Excellent. Your tongue is warming up. Your brain is adjusting. This is how fluency is built, not by thinking, but by repeating with emotion. Now we level up. Sometimes I feel nervous when I speak English, but I don't stop. Repeat. Sometimes I feel nervous when I speak English, but I don't stop. Again, stronger. Sometimes I feel nervous when I speak English, but I don't stop. Feel that power? That sentence is not just practice, it's your truth. Now focus on pronunciation. I want to speak clearly and confidently. Repeat. I want to speak clearly and confidently. Again, stress the word clearly. I want to speak clearly and confidently. Perfect. Your mouth is opening more. That's confidence training. Now we move to real-life situations. When someone asks me a question, I answer calmly. Repeat. When someone asks me a question, I answer calmly. Again. When someone asks me a question, I answer calmly. Very good. Imagine you are in the UK. Someone at a shop asks, "Do you need help?" You smile and say, "Yes, I'm just looking, thank you." Repeat. "Yes, I'm just looking," polite. Now imagine a job interview. I'm polite. Now imagine a job interview. I have been practicing my English every day. Repeat. I have been practicing my English every day. Again, confidently. I have been practicing my English every day. Nice. Now this one. I may not be perfect, but I am improving fast. Repeat. I may not be perfect, but I am improving fast. Feel that sentence. That is growth mindset English. Now we increase speed slightly. Stay with me. I understand more than I speak, but I'm catching up quickly. Repeat. I understand more than I speak, but I'm catching up quickly. Again, smoother. I understand more than I speak, but I'm catching up quickly. Brilliant. Your fluency is building layer by layer. Now, emotional confidence sentences. I deserve to speak without fear. Repeat. I deserve to speak without fear. Again, louder. I deserve to speak without fear. Very powerful. Again. I am not shy. I am learning. Repeat. I am not shy. I am learning. Good. Short sentences create strong impact. Now, conversation flow practice. What do you usually do on weekends? Repeat. What do you usually do on weekends? Answer this. I usually spend time with my family and practice English. Repeat. I usually spend time with my family and practice English. Excellent. Now listen carefully for linking sounds. I'm going to improve every single day. Repeat. I'm going to improve every single day. Notice how going to becomes gonna naturally when speaking fast. Let's try natural speed. I'm going to improve every single day. Repeat. I'm going to improve every single day. That's real spoken English. Now confidence booster. Even if people judge me, I keep speaking. Repeat. Even if people judge me, I keep speaking. Again, strong voice. Even if people judge me, I keep speaking. Beautiful. Now, breathing control practice. Take a deep breath. Speaking English is becoming easier for me. Repeat. Speaking English is becoming easier for me. Again. Speaking English is becoming easier for me. You feel that? Your brain is accepting this as truth. Now, advanced fluency line. The more I practice, the more natural I sound. Repeat. The more I practice, the more natural I sound. Again. The more I practice, the more natural I sound. Great rhythm. Now, storytelling flow. Yesterday, I practiced English for 20 minutes without stopping. Repeat. Yesterday, I practiced English for 20 minutes without stopping. Good. Add emotion. Yesterday, I practiced English for 20 minutes without stopping. Repeat. Yesterday, I practiced English for 20 minutes without stopping. Good. Add emotion. Yesterday, I practiced English for 20 minutes without stopping. Excellent control. Now powerful closing affirmations. This is my year to become fluent. Repeat. This is my year to become fluent. Again. This is my year to become fluent. I am building confidence every single day. Repeat. I am building confidence every single day. Fantastic. Now listen carefully. If you stayed until this moment, you are different from the person who clicked this video. Your mouth moved, your brain worked, your confidence increased. Most people watch, very few repeat, but you repeated, and that is why you will improve. From today, make this a daily habit. 10 minutes, no excuses, no fear, just repetition and confidence. Say this final line with full power. I speak English clearly and confidently. Repeat. I speak English clearly and confidently. Again, louder than before. I speak English clearly and confidently. That's it. Your transformation has started. Come back tomorrow, repeat again, and watch how your English changes faster than you ever imagined. Keep speaking, keep improving, and never stay silent again. Is fine. Just speak.